kamunggol! So, for today's video is gagawa tayo ng mukbang challenge. Samahan nyo kami magpitas ng buongon. Kami sa aming bakuran at magpitas na kami. So, ito pala yung mga bakuran namin, guys. Ang daming ano. At ito naman yung, ano ni Dad? Di, uy. Tambis. Pero wala pang bunga. Tira.
So, ito na guys, yung
Ito na, guys.
prutas na pitasin natin.
Oh, 'di ba? Madaming ano? Madaming bunga. At saka mababa lang, pwede lang abutin. Dito tayo. Oh, 'di ba?
Ito.
Ayun na, diyan ka na.
Tara guys.
Ito na yung napitas namin. Tsaka, para uda. Dahil malaki ito, guys. Ang sarap na to, matamis. Diba? Kanig. Ayan.
Okay na to eh.
Nahulog pa siya, guys. Tignan mo.
Kalibag sa atin ng vlog guys.
Diba? Ang daming ano. Ito, ang sarap. Ang daming bunga.
What's up mga kamunggol?
Kita mo yung ano is magluluto kami ng pancit canton.
Tara.
Guys, kumukulo na yung ano natin. Pancit canton. Pwede na itong haunin. Kasi luto na ito, guys. Ang dami. Ouch. Pagaloy-haloy na natin to para masarap. Ganito yung gagawin nyo, guys. Pagpagbudol kayo, masarap ito. Pangatlo namin ginagawa is the banana. Kasi lalagyan namin to ng bagoong. Siya yung nagluluto, guys. Natin yung banana kasi kumukulo na. Malapit na siyang maluto. At hindi na ako makakahintay na kumain ito. Punta kami kasi magpuputol kami ng dahon sa saging para gagawin namin sa bottle fights. Ito pala yung sagingan namin, guys. Walang bunga. Tsaka ito, maliit pa na ano. Okay, Ito yung nakuha namin, guys. Okay, go.
Naputol na diha na
Written on these walls are the stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open, but stays right here empty for days. You told me in the morning you don't feel the same about us anymore. Seems to me that when I die, these words will be written on my soul. And I'll be gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding on too tight, there's nothing in between. The story of my life, I'll take you home. I'll drive all night to keep you warm inside. It's frozen. The story of my life, I'll give you hope. I'll spread your love until you're broken inside. The story of my life, written on these walls are the colors that I can't change. Leave my heart open, but it stays right here in its cage. I know that in the morning I see a center light upon a hill. Although I am broken, my heart is untamed still. And I'll be gone